Hi students, today we are going to do how to draw a perpendicular bisector of a line segment. What is meant by perpendicular? Perpendicular means if two lines are perpendicular, then the angle between them is 90 degree. And here we are going to draw the perpendicular bisector of a line segment of length 10 centimeter. So first step is draw a line segment of length 10 centimeter. We can name it as AB and the length is 10 centimeter. Now, for drawing the perpendicular bisector, we must place the metal tip of the compass. We know the metal tip is this one and the pencil tip is this one. Here I am using the sketch pen, that's all. And we have to place the metal tip on A and take more than half of AB. No need to measure, just to take. With our naked eyes we can understand it is more than half. So take more than half of AB, then draw an arc above and below the line segment. So first step is draw line segment AB of length 10 centimeter. Second step, with center A and take more than half of AB, take the radius as more than half of AB. Draw an arc, draw arcs above and below the line segment. Third step, without changing the compass, place the metal tip on B, draw an arc above the line segment and draw an arc below the line segment. See, these two intersecting points are, so this is the intersecting point of the arcs above the line segment. Take that point as P, and this is the intersecting point of the arcs below the line segment. That point is Q. Then join P and Q. Join P and Q. This is the perpendicular bisector of line segment AB. So third step is, without changing the compass, draw arcs above and below the line segment. So once again I will say, first draw a line segment of length 10 centimeter. We can name it as AB. If the measure is given, you have to take that measure. If the measure is not given, you can take any measure. Okay. And for drawing the bisector, perpendicular bisector, place the metal tip on A, then take more than half of AB, draw an arc above the line segment and below the line segment. Then without changing this compass, place the metal tip on B. Draw an arc above the line segment and below the line segment. The intersecting points of the arcs are P and Q. Join P and Q. That PQ is the perpendicular bisector of AB. That means if you measure this angle, it will be 90 degree. And this meeting point, this point we can take it as O. So AO will be 5 centimeter and OB also will be 5 centimeter. Then PQ is the perpendicular bisector. You can measure with a ruler. You can understand it will be 5 centimeter each. See, you can see that. This is 5 centimeter. Hope you would have understand the concept. Thank you.